Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the Tineco Floor 1S7 Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. We'll unbox it, test it out on my dirty porch, and toward the end of the video I'll share my thoughts how well it cleans the floors. And most importantly, if it is worth the expensive price tag. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this cleaning mop with my own money, and this review is not an advertisement or promotion for the company that makes it. Everything I share here is purely my own opinion based on my experience with the product. This cleaning mop comes with a 0.2 gallon clear water tank, which is just enough to clean a large floor. Just be sure to fill it to the max line on the tank. Now let's head to my back porch. It's covered in dirt because I had an outdoor sofa there, so it's a perfect spot to put this mop to the test. Watch as I clean it up. I had to go over the tiles a few times because the dirt had really settled in and stained the floor. But in the end, the results were amazing, as I purposely left different types of dirt, especially the dirt that was under the couch, for a while. Some of it was really stuck to the floor, and honestly it would have been very tough to clean it with a regular mop, but after a few rounds with this device, everything came out spotless. Alright, I'm done cleaning now, and the tiles look neat and clean to me. There are a few spots that are really tough to remove. They're not permanent, but they're deeply stuck on the tile. I tried scrubbing them with my finger, and they're really stuck. Honestly, I didn't expect this vacuum mop to completely clean those spots because they're kind of stains that would take extra effort, even manually. Other than that, the rest of the area is spotless. Here is a comparison between the used brush and the brand new one that comes as a spare in the box. The used brush has handled some pretty dirt surfaces, so I'm going to place it in the docking station for self-cleaning. The vacuum mop can detect how dirty the roller is and recommends, when to run the self-cleaning function. I've now pressed the button, and you can watch the process in the next part of the video. Now that it's finished, take a look at the roller brush. It's almost clean. You know, it's almost as clean as the new one. The dirty water tank collected all the debris, and you can easily dump it out and rinse it and put it back. So let's talk about the price. This is the Tineco Floor 1S7 version, which functions as both a vacuum cleaner and mop. It's not the most affordable solution or the most affordable option, and with the discounts, it almost costed me around $650 at the time of filming this video. For me, the answer is yes. I have 2 young kids, and they make messes all the time, spilling milk, food, and tracking dirt inside. Mopping used to be a hassle, and I've been searching for the right tool to make it easier. This vacuum mop really answered that question for me. It's cordless, which is a game changer, right? I can quickly grab it and clean up any spills without worrying about plugging it in or dealing with the cables. Although it's expensive, it's worth it for me, especially with the little kids in the house. For families with infant or toddler, I recommend using steam mops that don't require harsh cleaning solutions, which can be dangerous for crawling babies. My youngest is a toddler, and my oldest is almost 4. So I feel comfortable using a small amount of cleaning solution in the water tank. In terms of cleaning performance, it's really satisfying. It's really satisfying, and I'll keep using it. And that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, please support my channel by liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.